Hey friends. So I have a couple customers asking me if I have a buffer that's not as rough. I wanted to give you guys a little tip on what to do if you don't want this being as rough as it is. This is the buffer that you will get in my Pro Kit, and you will also get one of these files. If you want this to not be as rough as it is, take your file that comes with it and just buff off some of that sandpaper. It will take a lot of that grit off, and you will get a smoother surface or whatever. But remember that when you are doing your set of nails, you do want a little bit of roughness in the beginning. When you go to put your nails on, you're gonna want that roughness to kind of scuff up the nails so that everything adheres to it. And at the end of the set is when you may want it just a little bit not as rough, so that you kind of get that smooth finish and that top coat goes on real well. Also, another little tip for you guys is sometimes when you go to file, I'm fixing to do my nails for y'all and do a video for you, so that's why they're clear. But when you go to file a client or yourself, sometimes a brand new file is very, very coarse on the sides. So what I would do is take an older file that you may have, or whatever, and you just let me get this angle correct. You just file the side right there, just angle it to where you kind of take that sandpaper off the edge, so when you're going up underneath their nail at an angle, you're not gonna cut your skin or your client's skin with your new file. So I just kind of take every time on a brand new file, I do this because I don't want to hurt myself. So I just kind of file down the edges and get that sandpaper off the end. So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, just email me at support@resinlegacy.com. Y'all have a good day.